of Madhya Pradesh Governor Ram Naresh Yadav, an accused in a multi-crore exam scam, has been found dead in Lucknow. Now, Shailesh Yadav was found dead in his room at the family's home at Mall Avenue. Both the father and the son had been named in an FIR in connection with that multi-crore exam scam that involves politicians and even government officials. Shailesh Yadav, in fact, we're also the Madhya Pradesh governor, remember, has also been accused of taking money from candidates, applying for the position of forest guards in 2013. He has also been booked for corruption and misuse of his official position and cheating. Now, in fact, let's just go straight across to Siddharth Ranjan Das. Siddharth, what more details can you give us?
Well, one correction before I start, Bani, is that Shailesh Yadav has not been named in the FIR as of now, but yes, investigations are on. And what has happened exactly is that about 3-4 months ago, a few middlemen who were caught by the SIT, which is investigating this multi-crore exam scam, or the Vyapam scam as we call it in Madhya Pradesh, and the alibis and the statements recorded from the middlemen, they say that they had given about 8 to 10 lakh rupees to Shailesh Yadav to get about 8 to 10 candidates get a job as forest guard and contractual teachers in 2012 and 13. And because of this, there was a huge furor in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly during the budget session, and even the governor was not allowed to finish his opening speech, alleging that his son was involved in this scam. Then how can he actually come to the Vidhan Sabha and deliver a speech? This is what the Congress had done that time. And a week after that, after the investigation, the governor himself, Ram Naresh Yadav, was made an accused, was named in an FIR in the 2013 forest guard exam scam, where he's been accused of misusing his powers and taking money to wrongfully induct candidates into government jobs. This is what had happened. Shailesh Yadav, in the case of Shailesh Yadav, the SIT had been looking for him, had summoned him twice, and had even sent a team to Uttar Pradesh to look for him, but they were not able to find him. And the next step that the investigations would have taken place if he had not died today, that they would have summoned him for the final time and also given him a notice that if he does not show up this time, his property would be seized. So this is what is the involvement of Shailesh Yadav in the case. If we talk of the governor presently, for the past 5 days, he's in the ICU ward of a private hospital in Bhopal, complaining of breathing problem. And also today in the Jabalpur High Court, as we speak, the hearing is on a petition filed by the governor's lawyer, Ram Jethmalani, and the petition is on how can the SIT name a person like the governor who holds such an important constitutional post in an FIR in a scam. So the investigations, the hearing in the Jabalpur court is on, and here the police was planning to take the next step and summon him for the final time, Shailesh Yadav. But as the news comes in, he has been found dead in his house. Prima facie, it seems brain hemorrhage, but the exact cause will only be known after the post-mortem reports are out. Back to you.